מחר יעבור לדום. מה, דום!
Good morning, Mr. President. How are you? Thank you very much.
מחר יחטיף את נשקו. טף, טף!
ספר ובפנים אתה נחת.
What an honor to meet you. First time in our country. Thank you. Welcome. Here you see the beautiful picture of Jerusalem from the east.
Wow.
This is in
But this must be an older...
This is from the 1930s. Was
Nice.
actually painted by a Holocaust survivor, Ludwig Blum.
But
And it's a miniature of a picture of 8 meters big in a monastery in Brno, in the Czech Republic.
Mhm.
And then
But
we
the
made
skyline must have changed by now.
even the gold on the mosque.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.